One of the greatest Lucha Libre stars around.
Time for the ever-chaotic Extreme Rules match here, where lawlessness reigns supreme. Set for this match, we have Randy Orton, Rey Mysterio, and Drew McIntyre.
Things are about to get extreme for these superstars. We've all seen how quickly this type of match devolves into absolute insanity. Just punishing their opponent.
Rey's veteran instincts on display. Taking steps toward the top rope, but he manages to reverse.
Slips away just in time.
Running Hurricane Rana! Fantastic.
It's incredible, the inventiveness we are seeing on display here.
Bam! Boosh! Able to capitalize on McIntyre's mistake. And it seems like you have to be at least a little sadistic to be victorious in a no-DQ match.
Oh, come on, Cole. It's not about being sadistic. It's about being smart. There's no safety net in a no disqualification match, and that's a big factor in succeeding. There's nothing sadistic about it.
Hitting the elbow drop. He wastes no time dodging the attack.
Solid contact from the Viper.
Dribbling the opponent's head like a basketball.
Oh, right into a counter. And now he's going to the top rope. Perched up top. Ooh, pounding the breadbasket.
Oh, right to the spine with the knee.
That was vicious.
One step ahead there.
Running Hurricane Rana.
Showing off the quickness. That'll turn things around in a hurry.
Bang! Elbow drop on target. He's looking fairly drained.
This is a classic Extreme Rules game plan, trying to deal as much damage as possible. Oh, she has bad intentions now, removing the turnbuckle pad.
Fall away slam.
I don't think people realize the amount of strength it takes to hurl someone like that. Oh, that wasn't pretty, but it was effective.
Connecting with a sharp elbow.
Elbow drop.
Producing a trampling. McIntyre turns things around.
The adrenaline is pumping, and the WWE Universe is on his side.
Randy Orton showing no mercy.
And Orton's turned the match in his favor.
Back into the ring now. Oof. Closed fist connects.
And his head is becoming a bigger target. Just punishing their opponent. Oh, a nasty stop to finish it off.
This is going to the absolute limits.
Yeah, I don't know how much longer a good defense will even matter at this point.
Bringing the focus to the temple, hoping to disorient.
Scooped up.
Uh-oh.
Oh, not today. Caught by surprise with the DDT.
Elbow drop. Look at this, just unloading.
Oh, attacked in the midsection.
And a stomp to the gut.
Ow! And Rey Mysterio connected nicely right there. He finds a counter to McIntyre there.
A clash of counters, and these superstars did their homework. From the top.
Oh, from the rope. He fails to connect.
Just disrespectful.
Elbow drop. And this is hard to watch, guys.
Yeah, each blow to the head is a word.
Look out! You gotta be kidding me!
Took a leap of faith and connected perfectly. This could be just what they needed.
And just got caught with that DDT. He got nailed by that last attack.
Yeah, Rey acted like the bigger of the two men in that exchange.
The Viper escaped harm.
Big plans in mind from McIntyre.
What a ridiculous maneuver to the outside.
The voice is clearly telling Orton to put Drew down.
Oh, McIntyre's in dire straits. Ooh. Randy Orton hoisting up his opponent.
Launches.
Boom, what a punch. McIntyre must be getting phased by this attack.
Orton remains as dangerous as they come, and McIntyre getting a first-hand experience of that fact.
Coming back from the outside now.
Catches a punch.
Dribbling the opponent's head like a basketball.
Oh, he scouted that one. Up the rope he goes.
Ooh. Oh. Oh, just manhandling their opponent and delivering a fallaway slam. My goodness, that'll stop anyone.
And Rey from up high. A narrow escape.
From way up. Oh, took it high risk, but was off the mark.
Ouch. Oh, what a clubbing blow. Not so fast. Hurricane Rana.
Grief.
Heel hook. Look at this. Oh, that's so painful.
It's hard to watch, too. Elbow puts an end to that. A running Hurricane Rana.
Beautiful. Oh, what a maneuver. Delivers an axe handle.
DDT.
And Orton finding himself on the wrong side of some offense there.
Yeah, Extreme Rules matches eventually take their toll on everyone. Down low with the drop kick.
Fast and furious offense from Mysterio.
Mysterio's rolling. Nothing's going Orton's way.
Targeting the chest, very effective. Looks like he knew what was coming up.
Short clothesline hits its mark.
The cover. The cover. Here's the pin. And yes, Randy Orton gets the win.
Here is your winner, the Viper, Randy Orton!
What a tremendous effort from all three superstars involved in this hard-hitting triple threat.
There's a reason this is called a triple threat match, gentlemen, and these three superstars just showed us all why.